First of all, good morning to everyone. Students, today I have come with other tags, and these tags which I am going to discuss that are also related, yes, with HTML. Today I will let you know about the horizontal rule, heading tags, strike tag, subscript tag, superscript tag, and the marquee tag. One by one, I am going to discuss. Please keep it in mind. These all tags which I am discussing, my dear, these all are container tag. Okay, leaving one tag, that is horizontal rule. This is only your non-container tag, and rest all which I will discuss, that all are container tag. As you know, container tag, when I'm talking, it means it contains a starting as well as ending tag, but ending tag must be preceded by a slash sign. But in non-container, only we have starting like HR, BR, IMG. So these all are your non-container tags. So one by one, I'm going to discuss. For that, I will go to the notepad. Okay, I have already explored the notepad. Now, as you know, there are four structures. What are the four structures? HTML, next one is head, next one is title, next one is body, and the last one is your slash HTML. But I just now said four tags are important: HTML, head, title, and body. And all four tags must have the closing tag. Like for HTML, I have used slash HTML. For head, I must have to specify slash head. For body, I must have to specify slash body. Okay. Now, students, it depends on you what you are going to show it on the title bar of the web browser. If I am going to show welcome to my new web page, then I must have this title, yes, where? Inside the title tag. Welcome to my new web page. So clear? Now the next part, that is your heading tag. How many levels of headings are there, my dear? There are 6 levels. First level is H1. H1 is your largest one, and H6 is the smallest one. And by default, computer has H3 by setting for the heading. But I don't want the third level of setting should be set. Yes, in HTML document, I want the largest one. So I will ignore this H6 and I will write my contents here in H1. So what I'm going to show here, this web page contains information of container and non-container tags. Okay, I must have to close. Okay, so I'm talking about the level of a heading. This is my first level of heading. Now, if I want to go for my last level of heading, that will be the smallest heading, then I must use H6. Okay, clear to everyone? Now the next topic is, yes, strike tag. Now suppose you have written your text and you want to cross that text. I'm saying not by using accent, by having a horizontal line on the text, then in that case you must use the strike tag. So I'm going to use strike. Now container tag contains only starting tag. Listen my dear, this statement is wrong. This statement is wrong. So I have to cut this statement. So to cut this statement, I must use the strike tag. I will show the output. I will show the output. I'm saving this file with the name aa.html. Okay. Now I'm going to run this file. I'm going to run this file. See it. Now you can see the first one is having the largest heading. This web page contains information of container and non-container tag. But the next line you can see the text that is written, which is cut over there. A line, horizontal line that has come on the text. You can watch it. So this is the use of strike tag. You know, sometimes the company, yes, who wants to focus on their product, that the earlier the product cost was 20 and now we are giving this product in 15 rupees. That is a 5 rupees discount, my dear. So the company wants to show this one to its customer. In that case, they use the strike tag. Okay, now the next part is your horizontal rule. Suppose I have written my text and I want that another section should start, then I must use the HR tag. Clear? Now the next part, that is your sub and superscript. I want to write this H2O. 2 should be as the base. So in that case, I must use the subscript. So what I will write here? I will write here sub and I will write here slash sub here. Okay. Now, if I have to use the superscript, that means as the power, in that case, I must use sub 2 and then slash sub. Okay. Now again, I'm saying you, my dear, when I'm using H2O, and if I will use in notepad H2O like this way, whether 2 will be shown as down? Never. Because in notepad you cannot do this activity, and even if you will do this activity in another way, word processing, and same you want to show it there, it cannot be possible because it follows a normal text. But to format the text we use the tags. So here you can see 2 will not be, yes, sent as a base. So in that case, I have to give this command sub and slash sub so that my 2 will go down like this way. Okay. Same way, you can see a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. It should be raised. Okay. It should be given as a power. So for giving, I'm not talking about the number. It can be the text. It can be the special character. Any character you can give as a power, my dear. So for doing this, you must have to use the tag sub, sub and slash sub. Clear? Now, the next part is your marquee tag. So before that, let me save this file so that you can see the output. So I'm going to show you the output, my dear. You can see here H2O. Just I'm going to increase it. See, H2O, it is written 2 as the base and A plus B whole square 2 as power. Now you can say, sir, why not A plus B whole square has come down? As you know, in HTML, however you write your text, same way it will not be shown, yes, on your web browser. If when you have used enter key 3 times and you want that my text should be shifted, yes, to the next line, it cannot be done. Only by the help of tag you can do it. I'm showing you here. I'm showing you here. S2 I have written. I must use BR tag here. Okay. Now you can see the output. Surely A plus B whole square will go down. See, it has gone down. Clear? Now, the next one is marquee tag, where, yes, I can be able to move my text left to right or right to left. Whatever I want, that I can do it. Just now you can see it. Okay. I'm going to use the marquee tag. Okay. Now, listen, my dear, one thing keep it in mind. Just now, I'm not going to discuss the behavior, okay, the attribute, that means behavior and the direction, my dear. Okay, now, I'm going to show you only what mark you can do it. This tag will scroll the text, okay, slash marquee. Now, you can see it is going to be scrolled, my dear. Now you can see my text is moving. My text is moving. You can see. Okay. Now I'm going to show you that 3 values of behavior. Okay. Marquee, spelling of behavior. You can see some of the students, they can write OUR. You know, we have to use the American dictionary. Okay, and in the American dictionary the spelling of behavior is BEHAVIOR, not UR. So I'm going to show you first behavior equal to scroll. Now it will stall how you have seen it. You see how you have seen it, same way it will stall it. Okay, you can see. Let me increase the size. Now you can see it. Now you can see the text. Now what I am going to do it, let me have both the window open so that you can know it. Wait. Control. Okay. Now, see here. Now here, instead of scroll, I'm going to use slide. Now see the output. And one more, just to watch it. Let the text be scroll, then I will show you. Now what happened here? In slide, after reaching to left, it stopped. But when I will use here scroll, it will have scrolling without as being stopped at the left side. See it. Now, what is the difference you understood? Now, as my text has gone, now again it will come. But in the slide one, it will reach there at the left side and stop. Next one is your alternate. Now see. Now you check this output. Now, what happened in alternate one? After reaching to the left side, it has not gone out to show that text from the right side, which happened in the slide one. Sorry, in the scroll one. But in alternate, when it touches the left, it bounces. It goes back and again touches the right, again comes back to left. Like this, it will scroll. Okay. Now, the next one that I'm going to discuss is direction. Now, here I can specify the direction. Direction equal to left. Now, see here. It is going to the left side, but when I will use right, what will happen? Now it will go to the right side. Now, where it is going? It is going to right side. Okay. So this is the main, yes, attributes of marquee tag. I hope you have understood. One more tag is there, that is background, that you all are knowing. That means how you can change the background color of your marquee text by adding busy color equal to, suppose, yellow. Let me save, let me load. Now the background has come, my dear, which is showing your text, but the text where it is lying, that area it shows in yellow color, okay, as the background. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear.